Hey guys, good afternoon. So for today's session, what I will be recording is how you will create or how you will generate your keyword planner through Google. So of course, in order for you to create your Google planner, you need to have an access to your Google Ads. So how you would do that, all you have to do is just go to go to ads.google.com. I'm going to show you how. And then you will be asked to sign in. So if you haven't had any Google Ads, you will be asked to click get started so that you would go directly to your your Google Ads, or you will create your ad account. So of course, this is not the ad account that I will be using. So from this, what you need to do next is from Tools and Settings, click it on the upper right portion of your account, and then go to Keyword Planner. And then you will be directed to these two sections. So what I need to do is, what I usually do is click Discover New Keywords, and then I will be putting some keywords that related to my business. Okay, so once you've reached your 10 keywords, you will be limited by adding more. So I'm already done with my 10 keywords. What I need to do next is to put my website. And then, of course, the location, I need to add the targeted location. So Google will give you or feed you keywords that are relevant, and at the same time, keywords that are trending on the particular country of your target. So I'm targeting United States, and then I'm targeting United Kingdom. Let me see if I can target Europe here. No, it's not. Australia, New Zealand, Canada. Let's see, France, United Arab. So I'm done with my target countries. Save it. And then what you need to do next is click Get Results. So after that, Google will run all possible keywords. And these are your keywords that you will need to use. So what you need to do next is download keyword ideas, and then automatically preparing the report, and then this is downloaded on .csv file. So once you open that, you will need to open it via your Excel file. Then what you need to do there is just segregate all keywords. So let's say keywords that are related to digital marketing, keywords that are related to web design and optimization. So it depends on how you would want it to play around with. So you're good to go. So that's it for today. If you have some questions, just send me a direct message or send us a message on our group. Thank you. Bye.